will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Airbnb app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down, click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Airbnb app. Just click on it here, or you click here on search, then add here Airbnb app. So just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click here on for stop, click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.